Okay, so as I said previously, Visual Studio Code is one of the most premium and one of the most powerful editors out there. Let's see how we can install it. First, you have to click on this link. You'll be taken to the Visual Studio Code website, and there you will have an option to download it. Then you click on the download button, and this is how you can download your file. Of course, if you're not using Windows, you'll have the option to download it for the Mac and Linux operating systems as well. So, open your browser and paste this URL. You will see a Visual Studio Coding website and an option to download it. So, just click on it. After clicking on the download button, there will be like 3 options in front of you. Here you have to click on the operating system that you are using, like Mac, Linux, Windows, etc. You can click on others if you're not using a similar operating system. Okay, so once you click on the download button, you will see an option where you can save your file. And as you can see, the file has now been saved and has started downloading. Okay, like for me, I already have this software installed, so I just pause the download for myself, but you can continue downloading it if you don't have Visual Studio Code installed already. So once your software is downloaded, you'll have to open your folder. And here you see some options on your screen. You'll have to select I accept the agreement, then click on create a desktop icon, click next, click on install, and here you go, your software will start installing. Okay, so I wait a little bit for the installation to be completed, then I get an error, which was expected because as I said, I already have this software installed on my machine.